My name is Blake Shields, I'm Head of Sales for Tapeswitch UK. So we have many different types of customers in Tapeswitch UK. So we have end user customers, we have OEM customers, and we also work with distributors throughout Europe. So throughout Europe we have different distributors. We have them located in Spain, in France, Finland, Sweden and Holland. We also have a distributor in Ireland, and Tapeswitch UK predominantly deal with all business throughout the UK. So we work in the powered access market, the aviation and airport and the maintenance side of that business. In the leisure and attraction market, manufacturing has been a big part of Tapeswitch and also the automotive industry. So in the aviation maintenance industry, we provide a lot of different products for different applications in that sector alone. So whether that is for platforms arriving up to the airport and to the airlines, whether it's the machine protection in terms of powered access products like mutes and scissor lifts. When we also look into the security side of the airport industry with using products like our dado panic strip. In the manufacturing industry, we use a wide range of our products, from light curtains, ribbon switches and safety mats and sensing edges. Pretty much in all manufacturing plants across the UK and across the globe, safety is a big part of that, and we have a product for everything. So we've been working in the woodworking industry for a long time. We're using different range of products for CNC machinery. We use safety mats, and we've now developed a new foam bumper for this environment. So the dado panic alarm has been used for many different public sectors, from hospitals, police stations and prison services. So in powered access, we predominantly have always sold sensing edges to this market to control the safety of the worker and also for the vehicle. We provide a safety solution for machine elevated platforms and for scissor lifts. We use our sensing edges, and we also use our bumpers for across different applications. We design sensing edges for the safety bars on the control panels of these big cherry pickers and scissor lifts. We've also then designed a massive project in our bumpers, which gives full access protection across the whole vehicle. In the leisure and attraction industry, we've been designing special sensing mats, bespoke mats for different applications, for amusement rides, attractions and special effects. In the automotive industry, we've worked with the manufacturing side of this and also the end user side. So we've been putting switches into seats for keeping vehicles and HGVs lorries safe. We've been doing the manufacturing side of things for the actual plant of the actual day-to-day production line of the safety of these vehicles in the automotive industry. So providing a solution for the customer is the key part of the successes that we have at Tapeswitch UK and with the customer's needs.